Okay, this is the Unit 4 Lesson 2 video. So 20 pounds of strawberries are being shared equally among a group, by a group of friends. The equation 20 divided by 5 equals 4 represents the division of the strawberries. If 5 represents the number of people, what does the number 4 represent? So we only have two things here: strawberries and friends. So if 5 is the people, then 4 has to be the strawberries. Or the pounds of strawberries. Now, if 5 represents the pounds of strawberries per person, then the 4 would have to be the number of people. Since those are the only two quantities, if 5 becomes the strawberries, then the 4 has to become the people. Okay. Now, this is a very long question. Okay? There is a lot to do in this question. A 6th grade science club needs $180 to pay for the tickets to a science museum. All tickets cost the same amount. What could 180 divided by 15 mean in this context? Describe two interpretations of the expression, then find the quotient, answer, and explain what it means in each interpretation. Okay, so we have to do 5 different things here. Okay, so we have to describe 2 things, find the answer, and then explain it for both of the descriptions. So, I'm going to give description 1. Okay, this is kind of a dead spot on my tablet, so I apologize. I really apologize now. So I'm going to move it over here real quick. So the 15 could be the cost of each ticket. Okay. Second scenario, the 15 could be the number of students going. Okay, so that takes care of describing 2 scenarios. That's my 2 interpretations. So now I have to find my answer. So 180 divided by 15. Bunch of different ways I can do it. And again, I can do long division. I can do, a diagram. So I can do 15, 15, 15, 15. So that's 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, and 180. And so that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So equals 12. And so there's find the quotient. Now, explain what it means in each interpretation. So the 15 could be the cost of each ticket. So this would mean 12 students were going. Now, if 15 is the number of students that are going, this would mean each ticket costs $12. And that explains what it means in each interpretation. Okay? You got to do all parts. Okay? Write a multiplication equation that corresponds to each division equation. So we've only got these three things here. We're not filling in other numbers. We're not answering the question. Okay? Got to pay attention to what the directions are. Write a multiplication equation. So, a couple of different ones we can do. We can do question times 5 is 10. 5 times question is 10. We can say 10 times question is 5. Question times 10 is 5. Okay? So, different possibilities. So we go to the next one. And it's the same setup. So, question times 3 is 4.5. 3 times question is 4.5. Question times 4.5 is 3. 4.5 times question is 3. And for C, question times 1/2 is 4. 1/2 times question is 4. Question times 4 is 1/2. And 4 times question is 1/2. Okay, and let's take a look at the next page. Okay, and again, write a division or multiplication equation that represents each situation. Use a question mark for the unknown. So we've got 2.5 gallons of water poured into 5 equally size bottles. So this is a total of, so it's not 2.5 gallons into each of the 5 size. So it's 5 times the question mark equals 2.5. Question times 5 is 2.5. We've got 2.5 divided by question is 5. 2.5 divided by 5 is question. Okay, for B, a large bucket of 200 golf balls is divided into 4 smaller buckets. How many golf balls are in each bucket? So we've got a 200, a 4, and a question. So a large bucket of 200 is divided into 4 smaller buckets. So 200 divided by 4 is question. 200 divided by question is 4. And so that means 4 times question is 200, or question times 4 is 200. Those are the options. Now, 16 socks, so that's 16, are put into pairs. Pairs are 2. How many pairs are there? That's your question. That's your unknown. So we've got 16 divided by 2 equals our unknown. 16 divided by the unknown is 2. And we've got 2 times the unknown is 16. And that's it for that.